Welcome to Anndyl Credit. We are here to help you take charge of your financial future. Today, we are diving into the essentials of credit repair. So, what exactly is credit repair? It's the process of identifying and fixing errors on your credit report to boost your credit score. Your credit score is crucial for loans, credit cards, and even housing. First, get your credit report from Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Look for mistakes like incorrect info, accounts that aren't yours, or late payments that were actually on time. Common errors include mistaken identity and outdated information. Dispute these errors by contacting the credit bureaus with supporting documentation. They must investigate and correct errors within 30 days. Credit repair also means building healthy credit habits, like paying bills on time and keeping credit card balances low. Good habits will help maintain a strong credit score. Repairing your credit opens doors to better financial opportunities, like lower interest rates and higher credit limits. At Anndyl Credit, we are here to guide you through the credit repair process with our free video guides. Please click the like and subscribe button. Tomorrow, we'll guide you through disputing your first negative item on your credit report in our first credit repair guide. And how to get your credit reports for free.